Did you know that the average office worker spends around 60% of their workday analyzing and manipulating data in Excel? However, many of us are still using outdated techniques that can lead to tedious calculations and errors. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use the powerful filter function in Excel, also known as dynamic arrays, which will revolutionize the way you work with your data. The filter function is a game changer for anyone who's struggled with complex data analysis. It allows you to filter data based on specific criteria and returns the results as an array, rather than forcing you to manually sort and summarize the data. This means you can easily update your data and see the changes reflected in your results. Let's dive into the syntax of the filter function. The basic formula is filter, range, include, if_empty. The range is the entire data set. Include is the criteria we want to filter by, and if_empty